What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel that is empowering you with the knowledge to help you build generational wealth. My name is Mia, and I reveal the financial education that we do not learn in high school.
Sometimes getting out can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow.
Let's say you have a credit card with a $5,000 balance and an interest rate of 16%, a $23,000 car loan with a 4% interest rate, and $35,000 in student loans at 8%. If the minimum payment for the credit card is $150, the minimum on the auto loan is $550, and the student loans run you $250 every month, then you are paying a total of $950 in debt payments every month. Imagine what you could do with $950 if you didn't have those debt payments. Don't worry, because you know I'm going to tell you. If you had $950 free to invest every month, then you could have almost $700,000 in 20 years, assuming an average 10% return rate. And if you wanted to build a savings account in a year, you could save over $11,000. Yep, that could very well be your reality if you were free of that debt. And loan consolidation is a method that could help you reach that debt-free goal sooner than you may think. How? Well, what it is a personal loan that consolidates all of your debt, hence loan consolidation or debt consolidation. It's literally how it sounds. You would take out a personal loan for the total balance of all of your debt. So your $5,000 card balance plus the $23,000 car loan plus the $35,000 in student loans. Instead of 3 separate balances, you would have one with a total balance of $63,000. And let's say that you're good at making all these payments on time, so you have good credit, and you qualify for a personal loan rate of 4.49%. As of May 2022, personal loan rates ranged from 4% to 36%, so that's very realistic. Your new monthly payment is now $875. That saves you almost $75 a month. You can put that back on the loan, keep paying the same $950, and that will help you pay the loan off faster, or you can save it. $75 saved every month for a year is $900, so 2 years you'll have $1,800, 3 years, $2,700, you get the gist. And you can even invest it. The same $75 invested every month for 30 years at an average 10% rate gets you over $150,000. So there are definitely benefits of loan consolidation. Lower interest rates, lower payments, fewer monthly payments, and even saving and investment options. When it doesn't benefit you is if you do not have discipline. If you don't have discipline, if you have zero financial integrity and you cannot be trusted to go right back out and get into more debt or swipe that credit card again because it's not maxed out anymore, then this may not be the best option for you. If you want to do this, but you know you run the risk of screwing it up, then once all of your debt is paid off and all you have is the personal loan, then cut the card up. Don't cancel it. That could hurt your credit score. And if you want to buy a house and get a mortgage, it's easier if you have a good score on record. So don't cancel the card, cut it up immediately. Then go freeze your credit with each bureau. Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can do it online or just call them up, but you have to freeze your credit with each one. What that does is stop anyone from using your credit. So not only does it stop you from taking on more debt, but it also protects your identity because no one else can take debt out in your name using your social. If they try, you'll get a notification because your credit is frozen. And don't worry, it's just as easy to unfreeze it when you really do need it. But if the goal is to get out of debt and free yourself once and for all, then focus on paying off that loan as soon as humanly possible. And once you're out of debt, the world is your smorgasbord. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this and learned something new. So go ahead and like this video so that YouTube will help push the word, get the word out. Share it with your friends and family and subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Until the next time.